Today I'm REBRICKULOUS.
I'm trying to guess what's on this card.
From what we're trying to build.
I'm Tyler.
I'm Dimitri.
And I'm Christiana.
We've made up a new REBRICKULOUS game. The crux of it is building with your bricks.
Yes.
So we built this crown slash
Hat.
put it on top of your head. How's the fit?
It's divine.
So me and Dimitri will have to build and Christiana will have to guess based off our builds, and whichever one of our builds helps her get it right, we get a point. She gets 2 points.
The only thing is that we have 30 seconds, right?
Yeah.
So whatever we build has to be done fast.
3, 2, 1, build. Well, it's yellow, so maybe it's a bus. A yellow submarine.
We all live
A giraffe.
Who helped
Yes.
you?
Wait, really?
Who? Yes,
Okay.
it
You
is.
did not help me at all!
Go.
I wanted that brick.
It's a gray giraffe.
It's a great giraffe.
It's a gray giraffe. All right, it's a gray boy. It's a gray man. It's getting tall. Is it a building? Is it the Empire State Building? Is it the Leaning Tower of Pisa?
Yeah! Bill,
Good.
did you see that?
Yeah, but who helped?
She did.
No!
Go! Okay, green. Something green. Clearly it has. Okay, it's wide. It's got. Is it a tree? Is it a? Is it a pelican?
Oh,
Is it
that
a-
looks like a tree.
Is it a? Is a yellow thing on it?
Wait,
It's like a female lighthouse. She's super hot. The Franche.
Oh!
The Louisiana
Homesick.
Purchase.
It's Lady Liberty.
Yes.
wow, that was. Oh no, they're two separate colors. I can't guess that. Why is this red?
That's the
Throwing
question
me
I'm
off
asking.
a lot.
That's
Well,
definitely the
I
question
kind of
I'm
trust
asking.
Tyler more than Dimitri actually, so I'm gonna
Bias.
get to see if
Bias.
it's some type of animal thing.
Nope, not
It's not an
thing.
animal, but it's pink on the top. Why is it pink on the top?
You know.
Where are the regular bricks?
Is that a house? It's a. What in the world is that?
I'm really
This is
trying.
so
No, I'm
bad.
trying. That's the hard part.
Thumbs up?
How do you
Yeah.
build that in 30 seconds?
Nailed it.
What? This is great.
All right. Go. Oh my.
The whole thing.
There's a run on.
No, you see, this is why I keep.
Oh, run on gray.
Oh. All right.
The run on the market.
I'm
Gray.
only looking at hers.
What is gray?
This is where it happens.
Stonehenge.
From who?
Look at that.
Yo, only looking at hers. I did the same thing. Yo, next time I'm not gonna let anybody.
She
win.
roped me in with her aggressive steal of all the bricks. You have to sell your build.
Man.
I have to sell it now.
I'll be.
It's a game and I have to sell it.
All right, don't hear this. I'm 100% honest. I didn't look at his one time.
Build. Okay, so white. That's black, pink. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
How much time?
Oh, this is gonna work. That's not going to. What?
All right. Sushi. Oh!
Do you see this?
You didn't get sushi from this?
Go. Yellow. Is it a duck? Is it some type of insect? It's not a duck? Wait, what's yellow like that? It's some type of dragon thing. It's
It's a goldfish.
Goldfish.
this is a goldfish.
Okay, first
It
of
looks
all,
like a traffic sign. Go! Oh, different colors, difference of opinion. All right, I'm giving Dimitri fair attention. She's got a little box going on. She's laying stuff on the ground. The Pentagon.
go. We are going for different ones. Alright, I'm already building some stuff with baboon. Is it a dog? Is it a brick?
Hey!
Oh!
Christiana didn't even start building.
I did. It's right there.
Oh, I thought you were disorganizing it.
I got super
Dude,
lucky.
where'd you get that
I just
piece?
somehow I grabbed one handful. It somehow had the head.
That was
and
Awesome.
that was
like
what did it.
two-part body.
That was
No,
what
I got
did it.
Awesome.
super lucky with these pieces.
We want to see what you guys think about this game. Could you do it better? Could you add some things to it? We found some things that were probably things that could change, like the fact that it was a little biased. Check out one of these 2 videos for some more Rebrickulous.